Hi, good evening. So, the three platforms that I chose to go over were Pinterest, TikTok, and Snapchat. So, Pinterest is a app that an individual can make an account and then make a boards or several boards that pique interest in regards to shopping, that includes clothes, nails, shoes, purses. It's mostly geared towards women. As an adult, might use it for ideas for home projects or recipes, things of that nature. It's more geared towards, I would say, probably 17 to 30, 35 age range. I mean, I've used it for several different ideas in regards to fashion as well as home ideas and recipes. So you create the account, then you create boards in regards to what you're interested in. And if you have friends on the app as well that like the same things that you do, you can send them the ideas, or you can pin things to your board and then they can search your individual boards and like and or share then the things that you have already pinned and pin them to their boards. So that's how the site works. And the target audience, I would say, would be probably around that 16 to 38 age range. That's a huge gap, but it has a lot of ideas on it, so a lot of people can use that app. The next app is TikTok, which is a lip singing recording app. You choose a song, lip sync into it. It takes a video. You can share it to friends. They can comment on the video that you just took, or you guys can do it together and then share it to another friend and communicate through that app. This one is more geared towards I would say the high school range. I have never used it personally, but my son has downloaded it onto my phone and watches videos on it. So, and he's only 7, so I don't allow him to record videos and post that, but he watches the videos. And so the next app that I chose was Snapchat, which is an app that you can take pictures, you can take videos. There's how do you call it, like things that you can put on your face, or like masks and things of that nature for when you do take the pictures. Several different filters to enhance your eyes, your eyelashes, make your eyes bigger. For the videos, it can change your voice. It's mainly used as something to create funny videos, and that I would say would be, again, a huge demographic, because my nephews use it and they're 11, and then I have it on my phone and I occasionally use it as well, and I'm 30. So the target audience would more be towards high school, though. They say that once you take the picture and somebody views it it disappears after, or same thing with the conversation. You guys can chat back and forth on it, but after a certain amount of time, the conversation disappears. So kids think that this is a good way to have private conversations because they think that it disappears, but in reality, nothing ever completely disappears. So, each individual app has good ways for children to connect, but they also pose issues in regards to education because children are using their phones within the schools when they're not supposed to, or they can take videos on the Snapchat app or on the TikTok app. They can do videos which can be distracting for not only them but the children around them as well as the teachers, and so that can be a potential hinder. Although this is a great way to connect for kids if they want to make funny videos and laugh together. But a huge difference from when I was growing up. I was probably a junior in high school before I got my first cell phone, and these apps were not out. They were just coming out with texting when I was in high school. So we connected more on a face-to-face basis, or talking in the halls after classes and writing notes on pieces of paper instead of texting back and forth. So those are just some apps that children use these days, and some ways that it can be a help and it also can be a hinder. Thanks. Good night.